Whenever you're working in the shop, sometimes you're looking for a small part or a certain fastener. A lot of times these things get jumbled up and thrown in a jar and you're trying to get through them. And they sell these trays, these plastic trays, and you just dump your little can of whatever collection into the tray and you sort through it. It's got a little spout, you can dump it back in. And sometimes these trays come in handy if you're overhauling a small engine carburetor or something. But they're expensive. A little piece of plastic, you want $5 or $6 for it. Well, you can make your own little parts tray. There's an old empty coffee can, and it doesn't matter what brand, you know. You could use an old 1 gallon water jug or one of those gallon water jugs that the windshield wiper antifreeze comes in. That's a little bit tougher. But these coffee cans have even thicker, tougher plastic, and they'll stand up. Because the other ones, they're too wimpy. So all you have to do is just cut the bottom off, leave a little bit of a wall there to hold everything, and then you've got yourself a little parts tray. It didn't cost you anything, instead of just throwing that coffee can out. And if you save the lid will also hold small screws. If you're working on a computer, you have those tiny little screws when you take it apart. That little lip will keep them from traveling and losing them. Or you can use it, if you're an artist, you can use it as a paint palette. And the nice thing about that is when you're finished, you don't have to clean it, you just throw it away. And I save these things all the time, so I have piles of these. So I ran mine through a bandsaw. You could use a jigsaw, a hacksaw blade, you know, almost anything, a box cutter, and make your own. This is what you end up with. It's a little bit smaller than the tray that I bought, and it doesn't have that opening if you want to pour things back into another container, but you could easily cut one if you wanted one. I don't. I just use this to hold little small parts or fasteners when I'm working on something, so they don't go anywhere. When you order a new piece of furniture or a tool or something where you have it comes in a box and it's somewhat disassembled, you have to assemble it, and they give you all these fasteners. I just pour them into one of these little trays so that they don't I don't lose them, and it just makes it handy. So, short little tip for the day. It's easy to do, doesn't cost you anything. Hope that works out for you. Thanks for watching.